second I'm fucking digging holes, boys. What?
Person. Kids eat for only $7. The Owl is open for lunch every Tuesday through Saturday at noon, featuring lunch specials. Have your birthday dinner at the Owl. Receive $10. Everything could ever feel this real falling.
Current progress, folks. Dug a friggin' hole. Putting the friggin' railings on and shit. December 23rd, you see where I'm at. Working on a friggin' deck. What? Decided half this friggin' house in one pole. That's how John the Picker works, folks. Holy shit. Kinds of freaking aluminum. Holy shit, man. Climbing up there already today and everything. Got a fourth of it loaded up. What? Almost a truckload already. Ratchet strap down pretty soon. Oh, we made it, ladies and gentlemen, to the Alpena Recycling Center. What? You're recycling it up big times. Well, guys, made it to the scrapyard with my first load. This is where clean aluminum goes, as you can tell. Gotta freaking get these ratchet straps off and throw all this shit out. Show you that when I'm done. What? Alright, and that's the first load of siding. What? See how much I got and then bring the rest in. Oh yeah. And there's load number 2. What? Another load packed full of aluminum. 300 pounds the last time. Let's see what we get this time. Oh yeah. And here we are with load number 2 at the friggin' scrapyard. There's load number 1. Grab this tailgate. Throw all this shit out. Look at it. What? Load number 2 is going out the scrapyard today, folks. Holy shit. That's simple. What? I gotta turn this off, get done with this a little quicker. Alright, and that's what both loads look like together. What? Freaking semi-load is aluminum. Oh yeah, see what I get paid. The new monster top.
Get your video.
It's going.
Oh, that's all I did.
Behind the siding. Dig it out. Current progress. We're just about done, ladies and gentlemen. Just about freaking done. Look at that. That's awesome. It's almost the new year. Almost the new year. A little bit left. 2 windows are at. Got that one to go and then the rest of that. What? Scrapping aluminum with John the Picker. Took in 2 loads of aluminum and this is what I got. I got another load chilling in the backyard. I probably got another few 100 pounds of aluminum chilling. My truck's full right now. I got all the grip edge from the roofing jobs, but doing aluminum siding, I like that. We like that kind. I made almost $200 taking the siding off a house, plus I got paid for the day. So that's pretty awesome. Working and making money. You always got to collect up the scrap metals at the job sites, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. I'm John the Picker. I'm out. Shots out to the guy that keeps giving me all the aluminum. Holy shit, man. It's Arctic chill time in the Picker hood, ladies and gentlemen. It says -7 degrees. It's really like a -14 out there. Look at that. What? She's cold. Cold ass day out today. Your beard and mustache will freeze right to your face. People's vehicles ain't starting and everything. -7 really feels like -20. Big ass plow. Cold out today, folks. Look at the big ass snow hill they got at Walmart's. The big snow hill. Lots of friggin' snow this year, ladies and gentlemen. As you can tell. Yep. Arctic burst in the Pickerhood. She's all bundled up. What? I'm out. Too cold for me.